jingkieng yet ni ka skywalk ka bantay ha Mawkdok tempem East Khasi Hills kan day ka linti yard kai ka baningkong ha ka jilla ka bantay itanat bha ha ka jingmang pisa ka ba hadu palat sanpui klur tingka haba keren ha ka jingalang jong ka siam connect ka ba long ha madan football Mawkdok kan arsnong light kro blong menteri rang ba ka jilla ula pente ba andala dep ka ni ka project jingok kai kan sedai ka way ni ki jaka bagi paipa kentoi ban wan kai menteri rang bau ong ru ba andala dep kani kinong wan kai kinyo banyat kai pengat hajrong kani ka jingkieng yen dei shu kumba ki shu yeng menta harut surang uang ba kin sa don ru na do ki dukan bam ki ban pen sngaw tanan bat pen melan shu shu ye ki paipa Layat ru baka jing penterai ya kani ka project kanum shimpor shu bat la kami lenti batang sudap kani ka ayom slap ansala ban stang no.
This is a 51.7 crore project, and there will be a first skywalk in Shillong, in Meghalaya, where people can experience the entire this valley in this area, in Mawkdok area and Pynbna area, which earlier they used to just stand on the roadside. Now people can go up, and this is how the place will look. And of course, apart from the skywalk, there will be other areas of cafeteria, shops to be run by local people, and different facilities and amenities for the tourists, including parking lot. And of course, many activities will take place out there. Just to share with all of you, the tendering has been done, the work has been allotted, and we expect the work for this to start. I think the rainy seasons are quite difficult, so I expect that maybe in a month's time or 2 months' time, the mobilization will take place, and we should be able to complete this soon. This is a bridge is about 40 meters. The cantilever is about 7 meters wide, and it will be one of the longest cantilever bridges in the entire country. So that's what this project is. And as I said, this is for the development of tourism, which we have been promoting and promising to the people of the state. Many things have been happening, but this is going to be a major, important game changer for not just that village, but the entire region out here, this entire area. This will be a very, very big project. So I just wanted to share this good news also with all of you.